You know what the perfect barbecue dinner is for them? Some slap shot barbecue chicken with a cornbread stuffing. That's what we're gonna do for you. Put that parsley over here, and I'll get to that later. But first, let's talk about this bird right here. That is a great looking bird. That's not a chicken though, that's a capon. That's a boy chicken, big time rooster. A lot of meat there. We're gonna doctor up 3 different ways. We're gonna hit it with the marinade, which we're gonna make for you. We're gonna stuff it, and then we're gonna slow smoke it. First, the marinade. I already got the parsley working here. A little extra virgin olive oil. It's a big bird, right? So we're gonna need a lot of this marinade. Some red wine vinegar, a little tartness. Hit it one time, a little hot sauce. Spice it up a little bit. How about some spice action here? A little paprika. Smoky flavor. See that? Gorgeous, nice taste. It'll add cumin for some nuttiness. Let's hit it with some serious flavor, some garlic right here, okay? Ginger, serious flavor pop there, and some thyme, okay? How about some citrus? Some orange. My favorite part. Can you tell? I love this. Gonna hit that lemon in there too. Very quickly, we've got a killer marinade. Take our bird here. Pour right in there. Oh yeah. Seal it up. Now remember, this is a marinade. It's a big bird. Gonna break it down with this marinade, gonna infuse it with some flavor, and this is just the first step. This is going into the fridge overnight. That'll go right there. Now that we've got that done, I've got some help here, right? I'm not here alone on the road grill. I've got my teammates over there. I got Charlotte and Jenna behind me. Carrie, you've got the stuffing going over there, don't you?
I do. It's just starting to happen right now.
Yeah? Tell me a little bit about that.
Okay, well, right now we've got some beautiful onions sweating off with some garlic. And then to that, I'm gonna add some fresh corn, because it's summer. And also some red pepper, which is gonna give it a bit of crunch. And some nice earthy thyme, which is kind of a classic for stuffing. And then, this is a little different stuffing. It's a cornbread stuffing, so we're using cornbread. And cornbread is just bread made with cornmeal. So it's got a nice texture. So you just saute that up. The most important thing is that you cool it down first before you add it, because you cannot have hot hitting the cold bird.
Right here for you.
Why, thank you, Jenna. And
You got
here's
stuffing?
our cooled stuffing.
Okay, you've got that going.
I
While you
do.
do that, can I just show these folks how to make a mesquite smoke pouch?
Yum.
We got wet mesquite wood, been soaking here for at least an hour. We've got dry. I like to double up on my tin foil, no leakage. We're gonna take 2 parts wet, nice big chunky handfuls. Place it right in the middle of your foil. This is key to get that nice smoky flavor into that bird. And then 1 part dry. That's gonna act as your kindling. Move that around a little bit, mix it together. Fold the tops, do the edges, nice and tight, and you've made yourself a killer smoke pouch. You can infuse a lot of flavor into that bird, and it's gonna be delicious. Both sides, aerating it, let that
Nice.
smoke escape onto that bird. What
Otherwise
we
it
got
can't
going
roll.
over? You've been stuffing it?
I just finished stuffing it, but I didn't like pack it in. I just kept it kind of loose. And you know how some people get afraid of is their stuffing cooked? Here's a trick. If you add a stainless steel spoon, basically as it heats, it's going to conduct more heat into the stuffing, so it's going to be a conductor. So your
Makes it
stuffing.
cook evenly.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we're going to truss
Truss.
this bird.
We've trussed together, haven't we?
Yes, we have. Flip that, baby.
You gotta throw your hands up in the air like that, half the time.
And there we go.
Oh.
Our beautiful bird is stuffed, trussed.
We marinated them overnight.
Yeah.
We've stuffed them. We've trussed them. We've got our smoke pouch. Why don't we head over to the grill? Yeah! Y'all be careful. Because I can tell you that this mesquite smoke pouch is working double time in here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's what we're looking for there. That smoke pouch is directly over the flame here, right over your heat element. We got heat here, heat there, no heat in the middle. That's where our drip pan goes. catch all those juices from that big bird right there. But we're gonna crank it up just a little bit. Gonna hit this with a little bit of water on the drip pan here, add a little juice, and throw in a little thyme. That is just gonna help infuse another pop of flavor all over that bird there. So we'll just replace our grill. Look at that. Is that a beautiful thing? Oh yeah. Now what we're gonna do here, 15 minutes per pound is what we're looking for there. 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Close that lid. Let that smoke just infuse its flavor into the bird. And it's a beautiful thing, I guarantee it. Come here, I'm gonna show you. Oh, I see it's happening over here. Slow smoking this bird. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Come on now. Gorgeous. Patience has paid off. Now, if you're not sure about the doneness, you're really not quite sure, simply take your thermometer, pick the thickest part of that meat right there, that bird, jam it right in the middle. Be careful not to touch the bone, because if you touch the bone, you will hinder or you will skew your thermometer, and we're looking for 170 Fahrenheit, 85 Celsius, and that'll give us a perfect temperature and done bird.